Good morning, guys. Good morning. Although today is 4 4 7 4 7 in the afternoon, but still our greeting is always good morning. We are having a very simple birthday celebration of my granddaughter. Our granddaughter pala. Ito lang ang kanyang handa. Oh. Ang kanyang handa ay simple lang. Ito lang. Cake. Bilang pagpapatunay na talagang she is celebrating her birthday. Although 21 pa lang ngayon, she is supposedly celebrating her birthday on September 23. Eh kaso si mami niya ay may trabaho. Ito, spaghetti. Pinagluto siya ni mami niya ng spaghetti at meron ding isang Angelina sa pulab. At bibili din nata sila ng Coke soft drinks para pares dito. Very simple celebration with my granddaughter. Nahihiya siya. She doesn't want to be captured on camera. Busy ang mami niya. Oh. Bit ang buti ng Coke. And her mother is there. Ayan, oh, nakatago. Yan lang.